Salt water rinse for gum infection.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing how to make a salt water rinse for healing gum infection. A salt water rinse is an age-old remedy known for its antiseptic properties, which can aid in healing gum infections. It's essential to use the correct proportion of salt to get the best results without causing any irritation.
Why use salt water rinse?
Salt water rinses are a natural way to soothe gums and reduce inflammation. The salt acts as an antiseptic, helping to kill bacteria that can cause gum infections. Additionally, salt can draw out fluids from the tissues, reducing swelling in the affected area. It's an affordable and easily accessible solution for many oral issues.
How much salt should I use?
For an effective salt water rinse, 1. Take 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. 2. Dissolve it in 8 ounces, 240 milliliters, of warm water. 3. Mix well until the salt is completely dissolved. It's essential to ensure that the water isn't too hot, as this can cause further irritation to your gums.
How to use the salt water rinse.
1. After mixing the salt in warm water, swish the solution around your mouth. 2. Focus on the affected area, but ensure it reaches all parts of your mouth. 3. Hold the mixture in your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. 4. Do not swallow the rinse. 5. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day, especially after meals.
Any precautions?
Yes, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. If you experience increased irritation or pain, stop using the rinse and consult a dentist. 2. Do not use a salt water rinse as a replacement for regular oral care or prescribed medications. 3. Always consult with a dentist about prolonged gum issues or infections. In conclusion, a salt water rinse can be an effective home remedy for gum infections. Remember to use the correct amount of salt and ensure the rinse is at a comfortable temperature. Always prioritize your oral health, and if the problem persists, seek professional advice. We hope this video has been beneficial, and wish you a speedy recovery.